What's going on, BF Familia? How are you guys doing today? So before we get into this video, guys, I would like you to do a couple things. I would like you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also subscribe to my second channel. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram if you guys have not already. If you guys are brand new and you guys are just passing by this channel, my name is Crystal. Welcome to this channel, and hit that subscribe button. And also turn your post notifications on so you guys are never missing an upload that we post. No further ado. So guys, today we're not going to be reacting to a video today. Today we're going to be trying low calorie, I repeat, low calorie snacks from Walmart. And I'm going to tell you right now, I am not a big fan of less sugar items. I'm a big sugar person. I love sugar. Who doesn't? But these are like for people that are trying to lose weight and they don't want a lot of sugar in their diet. So which I need to start doing. I do need to start like eating healthier, because sugar is not going to, it's not good for your body. I'm just gonna put it like that. It's not good for your body. So I'm gonna be trying these low calorie snacks that people be eating to watch their diet. And this is like less sugar intake for people that lose weight and stuff like that, or try to lose weight, or whatever you want to call it. So guys, we're going to be trying, I have like 6 of them, and then I have this gelato ice cream that my sister-in-law had put me onto. It's from Price Right. I don't shop at Price Right, so she did tell me this is good. It's like a layered ice cream. It's got truffles at the bottom, ice cream. It's basically salted caramel truffles. So basic caramel on top, truffles, vanilla ice cream, truffles at the bottom. And then for the low calorie stuff, we're going to be trying granola and yogurt parfait. Next, we're going to be trying less sugar yogurt bar. So these are 2 of them right here. If you hear laughing in the background, that's my daughter. She's watching Roblox on the TV, so she's like laughing like hysterically. Okay, mixed berry, less sugar yogurt bar, and chocolate coating. This is 1 gram of sugar. Like I tell you, this is less sugar, which is good for you. I just don't like less sugar. Next, we're gonna be trying bagel chips and cream cheese dip with chive and onion. This might be nasty, but we're gonna see. Next, we're gonna be trying another bagel chips and cream cheese dip. Is garden vegetable. So I got 3 of these in different kinds. So that's 2 of them. And then the last one is strawberry cream cheese with bagel chips. So guys, I'm gonna be trying these all on camera today. Give this video a thumbs up, please, please, please. Hopefully I don't vomit. Okay, so we're gonna try granola and yogurt parfait. This is 10 grams of sugar, but the calories are out of this world. So I don't get it, I just don't get it. How it's less sugar and then a lot of calories, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of crazy. So we're gonna see what this looks like. I'm so tired, guys. Look, you can see the bags under my eyes, look. So after this, I'm going to sleep. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I might take half of it and give the rest to Ariana back there, because she wanted to try it. So we're gonna try it right now. And my baby is not feeling good. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. It's white. And it has like the little strawberries in the inside. Oh, I almost dropped it. Let me see. Okay, guys. So that one, 2 strawberry. I don't get me wrong, I love strawberries, but But I'm gonna show you the inside of it, and you're gonna see what it looks like. So when I bite it, it looks like that. Looks like strawberries right there, and then whatever is that in the inside, whatever it is that. I think it's granola mixed with strawberry chunks. I'm not really sure. You could try it. No. What you scared for? I thought you liked strawberry. So this is another strawberry one. This is 1 gram of sugar. So this is strawberry. It's got berries. It's got mixed berries in it. So we're gonna try this one now. I mean, it's good if you're healthy, but see, like I tell you, I'm used to sugar. I'm not used to like low calorie stuff. I'm not used to it. That was not.
It just tastes like strawberry.
I mean, it's all right. It's not all that. It's not all that. No offense to people that are healthy. That's actually kind of good that you guys are healthy, because as you get older, you know, you have to be healthy.
This is kind of strawberry.
All right, next, this is the chocolate coated mixed berry bar. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. That's nasty. Ew. That is nasty. That is disgusting.
The vanilla one might taste, I don't know.
Oh, God. Oh, no. Ooh, that just gave me shivers up my spine. Ooh, that gave me goosebumps. It's nasty.
Why is it so sweet like that?
You just dropped chocolate right there. Guys,
Oh.
nasty. Nasty. I'm saying nasty. Let's just say that.
Ooh.
Nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Gave me the shivers too. Kudos to people that eat that stuff, because
The vanilla one might taste good.
I bless your heart, because I do not.
I have to taste it.
Okay, this one is vanilla yogurt bar.
It's yogurt.
That's why it tastes like that.
Wait, they're all yogurt or this?
This one's granola and yogurt. Yeah, perfect.
And this
They're all yogurt. It's just in a bar. And I love yogurt.
That's why it tastes so chewy.
Yeah. I love yogurt.
How do you make it chewy?
I don't know. Don't know. I'm excited to try these.
Oh, for real. Soft ice cream cheese.
Alright, guys. So this is the vanilla yogurt.
No, Ma, you should be excited to try it.
Yeah, that's last. We're gonna see how Angela say it's good. She said it's good, so I don't know. Alright, here it goes. This is the vanilla.
Hopefully it tastes better than vanilla.
Bless. Thank
Ma,
you,
you
Lord.
like vanilla ice cream, so it tastes good. Nasty. It's nasty.
Yeah. I mean, it's not as bad as the other two, but it's nasty. Guys, those were disgusting. Like I said, kudos to people that eat stuff like this, because I can't eat it.
Let me see the baby eat it.
And don't give it to her. If it's nasty for us, she definitely ain't gonna eat it.
No, she put touching it.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna try these now. We're gonna try the bagel chips and cream cheese onion chives. So we're gonna see how this looks.
Onions.
Onion and chives. Oh, you tease my baby. Oh, these are cute. Look at it. Look, guys. Those are supposed to be bagel chips. Look. Alright, let me see.
Yeah, I was like,
Onion and chives.
oh, she's awesome.
I mean, this tastes like cream cheese to me. I really don't taste the chives.
It's good though, right?
Alright, next we're gonna try strawberry. I think I'm gonna be sick of strawberry already because this is like what? The third strawberry I tried today. So, but I love strawberries. Those are actually really good. Strawberries.
The strawberry cream cheese is good, kind of.
Those taste like croutons. They taste like croutons.
Yeah, in a salad.
Okay. Strawberry next. Guys, these nails are like really making me mad.
My mom said she getting Valentine's.
I would never get these nails these long ever again. My next set of nails, I'm gonna get really short.
Like this one?
Like half that, like that.
Oh, okay.
Not short. Cause then my nail's gonna grow behind it and it's gonna look ugly when I come. All right, strawberry, guys. This is what it looks like.
You didn't even put enough sauce in there. Or cream cheese. It's good, right?
You could definitely taste the strawberry.
It's good though.
You could
Mom, what's
definitely
your favorite out of these two so far?
the onion and chives. All right, this is garden vegetable, which I love vegetables, by the way.
Certain vegetables.
Certain ones, but not all. Like, there's some stuff I need to still try. Like, I still need to try like beets, stuff like. Yes, beets. It's like it's this thing. It's red and it stains your hands when you cook with it. All right, garden vegetable. I had to look at it again. This tastes like it's good though. It's good.
I had that, so I can't really talk.
This one, okay, so out of the cream cheese and bagel chips, it'll have for me. It'll probably go for. It'll be the garden vegetable, onion, chives, and then strawberry. It tastes like
Carrot,
no, it tastes like
peppers.
dang, I don't even know what it's called.
I know what you're talking about.
It tastes like this salsa that I eat. You know the salsa that we eat?
Oh yeah.
Tastes like that. I just don't know the name of it, but it tastes just like that. And then last but not least, we're gonna be trying
Ice cream.
it's called gelato ice cream, which is salted caramel truffle. So here we go. It might be rock hard, so if I can open it. I don't think I can open it. My baby. You can't open it either? Here. I can't open it.
That you can't do for the video.
I'm about to get mad. Alright, opened it. Good. I was about to say, guys, we ain't gonna try this today because I'm not about to be struggling
Wasting your time.
on camera trying to struggle to open it.
It's embarrassing.
Let's see how good she said this is. I swear, if it's nasty, I'm really gonna like.
Be mad at Angela.
I'm really gonna be mad at her. She's gonna hear it.
How you supposed to try these at the bottom?
I don't know. Let's see.
Chocolate chip.
Alright guys, so this is what the first layer looks like, and then the truffles are all the way at the bottom. See the truffles at the bottom? Alright, here we go. I mean,
Sit down.
it's really not that bad.
You like it?
It's not that bad. Cause he's got, look, you got cookie right here, vanilla ice cream, then truffles at the bottom. It's really not that bad.
That like Reese's, don't it?
Yeah, but this is supposed to be salted caramel.
Oh.
It's really not that bad. Okay, so guys, I had enough of these low calorie snacks. So guys,
What was your most favorite one
out of what?
out of all of these? Even the ice cream.
This, the garden vegetable.
That was your favorite?
The yogurt bars were a 1. They were not my cup of tea.
The only one I probably like is the white chocolate one.
What does this on mean? Okay guys, so this is it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel and my second channel. And also follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and turn your post notifications on so you guys are never missing an upload.
Goodbye.
And for that, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Peace.